Let's learn how to make sushi rice so that you can make all your favourite rolls at home. First thing we need to do is take a cup of rice and give it a really good wash and drain it through the colander several times until that water is nice and clear. Once it's all nicely washed and drained, pop it back into your pan. And then to the rice, we're going to add 1.5 cups of cold water. But always check the packet, because they will have done all the research to make sure they can tell you the exact amount you need. And then we take it to the stove. We bring it up to the boil, turn it down with the lid on and cook it for 8 minutes. While the rice is on cooking, we need to make the seasoning. So take 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Pop it on the stove, warm it up and mix it all together. The rice has been cooking for 8 minutes and now with the lid still on, I'll leave it to rest and then we can add the sushi seasoning. After 15 minutes of resting, take off your lid, empty the rice into a bowl, and while it's still nice and warm, add in that vinegar, salt and sugar so that the rice can absorb it all. Make sure all the rice is coated and spread it onto a plate to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we can make our rolls. A great way, if you haven't got a mat, is to do 2 layers of cling film and put the other one tightly on top. Take your nori sheet and put it shiny side down with some slightly damp hands. Take your rice and then lay in whatever you like. I've got some cucumber, some carrot and some delicious grilled teriyaki chicken. Sprinkle in a few toasted sesame seeds and then you roll it up. But remember, you have the cling film, so make sure you don't roll that in too. Fold it tightly over, pull that cling film out, and then we just slice it up. I like mine with a little bit of Kewpie mayo and a little bit of sesame seed, a dash of soy and a little squeeze of wasabi. And then just take a bit in your wasabi, in the soy, and just get stuck in. Sushi rice, so easy. You should give it a go.